On 8th of November around 10 a.m., first BN NDRF from Guwahati organized an awareness program and demonstrated safety measures against several calamities at Lahorijan PWD IB.
The awareness program was initiated by Lahorijan Yuva Santha Club in collaboration with 1st BN NDRF to keep the citizens aware of the basic safety measures that should be taken against natural calamities. As in today's time, nothing is stable and anything can happen anytime. Basic life skills that should be done when an incident like flood, earthquake, fire and accidents are encountered were demonstrated at the workshop. Bishnu Giri, Secretary of Lahorijan Yuva Santha Club, thanked the civilians and students of Lahorijan for their cooperation in making the event successful. Anantarang's report from Bokajan for Karbi Anglong Live.